dust. You really can't see the dust because it's full of slugs, but oh well.
It's you.
It's really bad. You really can't see it, but we are about to go in the dirt. You can barely see the road up there. It is really dusty. You can barely see the stop sign up there. Yes, there is a stop sign. Oh, that's dirty. You can't see the railroad tracks. Oh look, stoplights. So definitely there's no soccer practice, kids. Look at all that dust. It's nothing but field.
How does dusty
The wind. The wind blows the dirt goes in the air. That's how you get dust. All those are fields. Cotton fields, hay fields, cotton fields. It's so dusty. We're heading west. It's my other daughter's school. We're on the outskirts of town now. We're sort of in the middle of the dirt. We're not. Still cloudy. Hope it rains and knock this dust down. Really do.